In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view completed tasks in Todoist. Whether you're managing a busy project or simply keeping track of your daily to-dos, having the ability to see all you've accomplished can be a great motivator. Plus, it's quite simple when you know the steps. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser. Go ahead and type in apptodoist.com after login into the address bar at the top. Hit enter, and this will take you to the login page for Todoist. If you've ever logged in before, this should look familiar. Next, it's time to enter your credentials. You'll need to type in your email address and your password. These are the same ones you used when you initially signed up for Todoist. Make sure you're typing them correctly, as getting these wrong will prevent you from logging in. Remember, your email is your username here. And don't worry if you've forgotten your password, there's always an option to reset it. If typing in your email and password seems too tedious, or if you prefer using other platforms, Todoist also offers convenient options to log in via Google, Facebook, or Apple. Just click on Continue with Google, Continue with Facebook, or Continue with Apple, whichever applies to you, and follow the prompts to get signed in. Once you've logged in, you'll be on your Todoist dashboard, where you can see all of your tasks and projects. Now, to find your completed tasks, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen, where you'll see your avatar or profile picture. Click on that avatar, and a menu will appear. In the menu that pops up, you'll want to select the option labeled Activity Log. The activity log is a wonderful feature as it keeps track of all the changes and activity related to your tasks and projects. Once you click on it, you'll see a list of various activities. Now look for the option that says All Actions. This is essentially a filter that will help you narrow down the specific type of activity you want to see. Go ahead and click on All Actions. You'll then see a list of filtering options. Locate completed tasks from that list. Click on it, and Todoist will present you with a compiled list of all tasks you've marked as complete. This view is highly beneficial for reviewing what you have already accomplished and can provide a sense of satisfaction and progress. And there you have it, that's how you view completed tasks in Todoist. Feel free to navigate around this section to explore more about your task management activities. This simple process can enhance your productivity by providing you with a visual summary of your accomplishments. Thanks for watching and happy tasking.